Can you believe the Australian military got defeated by flightless birds? Yes, they did. After World War I, in 1932, Australian farmers faced drought and debt. Then 20,000 emus invaded their wheat fields, devouring crops and smashing through fences like a feathered army. The government's solution? Deploy the military. Major Meredith led soldiers armed with 2 Lewis machine guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition. Their mission: eliminate the emu threat. But the emus had guerrilla tactics. They split into small groups, outran the trucks at 30 miles per hour, and their thick feathers deflected bullets. After a week, 2,500 rounds fired, only 50 emus down. The media destroyed them. One newspaper wrote, "The emus have won every round so far." Major Meredith admitted they were as hard to kill as tanks. After a month, the military withdrew in humiliating defeat. Australia's trained soldiers lost to birds with 0 training. Nature always wins. Which animal could defeat the military next? Drop your guess in comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Echoes of Time for more legendary battles.